Hey guys, today I am going to tell you some basic English phrases that you use on daily life. Let's start. I love my family. मुझे अपने ख़ानदान से प्यार है. I love my family. You need to listen. तुम्हें सुनने की ज़रूरत है. You need to listen. Let's take a bath. आओ नहा लो. Let's take a bath. आओ नहा लो. Let's take a bath. You are a good friend. तुम एक अच्छे दोस्त हो. You are a good friend. मैं बिल्ली से खेलती हूँ. I play with the cat. My dog is barking. मेरा कुत्ता भौंक रहा है. My dog is barking. मेरा कुत्ता भौंक रहा है. Don't lie. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Come here. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Look here. यहाँ देखो. Look here. Clean it. इसे साफ करो. Clean it. Take a sip. एक घूंट लो. Take a sip. Give me. मुझे दो. Give me. Be honest. ईमानदारी से काम लो. ईमानदार रहो. Be honest. Don't cry. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't cry. रो नहीं. Drink milk. दूध पियो. Drink milk. Come fast. जल्दी आना. Come fast. Stay happy. खुश रहें. Stay happy. Drink water. पानी पियो. Drink water. Stop kidding. मजाक बंद करो. Stop kidding. Give up. हार मान लो. Give up. हार मान लो. Don't go. मत जाओ. Don't go. Save money. पैसे बचाओ. Save money. Tell me now. मुझे अभी बताओ. Tell me now. Find a job. नौकरी ढूंढो. Find a job. Thank God. अल्लाह का शुक्र है. Thank God. खुदा का शुक्र है. Don't panic. घबराओ नहीं. Don't panic. घबराओ नहीं. Don't panic. Finish it. इसे ख़त्म करो. Finish it. Calm down. पुरसकून रहो. Calm down. Eat well. अच्छी तरह खाओ. Eat well. Don't worry. परेशान मत हो. Don't worry. Thank you. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you. Come fast. जल्दी आओ. Come fast. Don't hesitate. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Look ahead. Look ahead. आगे देखो. Look ahead. आगे देखो. Don't panic. घबराओ नहीं. Don't panic. I have to go. मुझे जाना चाहिए. I have to go. Let me speak. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Anyway. किसी भी तरह. Anyway. Not now. अभी नहीं. Not now. Carry on. काम जारी रखो. Carry on. Don't break. Stop talking. मत तोड़ो. बोलना बंद करो. Stop talking. Go on. बात जारी रखो. What to do on. Anytime. कभी भी. Anytime. Accept this. इसे कबूल करें. Accept this. Stop talking. बोलना बंद करो. Stop talking. What to do. क्या करना है. What to do. Where to go. Where to go. कहाँ जाना है. Where to go. कहाँ जाना है. Go upstairs. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Before that. इससे पहले. Before that. इससे पहले. Before that. इससे पहले. Let it be. रहने दो. Let it be. रहने दो. That's weird. अजीब बात है, डेट्स वियर्ड। डोंट विस्पर, सरगोशी ना करो, डोंट विस्पर। कंसोल हर, इसे तसल्ली दें, कंसोल हर। गो योर सेल्फ, खुद जाओ, गो योर सेल्फ, खुद जाओ। दैट्स ऑल for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.